Hey everyone, welcome to Python HowTo. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make money with Python. I will be sharing a bunch of ideas and strategies that you can use to start earning. Plus, I will talk about the skills you will need for each of these strategies. These methods are totally practical and I have personally tested almost all of them with good results. So if you want to learn how to make money with Python, stick around till the end of this video. Number 1. Doing student assignments. You can offer to do programming assignments and small projects for students who don't have the time or patience to do them themselves and charge them for it. For this, you will need to have a solid understanding of Python basics from the very beginning up to object-oriented programming and the willingness to learn new things. For example, if a physics student asks you to solve their programming problems, you might need to learn a bit about physics too. I hope you get what I mean. Number 2. Content creation. If you enjoy creating content, you can start an Instagram page and create educational content about Python. Later on, you can accept ads and get paid for them. You could also start a YouTube channel, make videos about Python, and once you reach monetizations, YouTube will pay you. Or you can start a blog about Python, and once it gets popular, you can accept ads and earn money. For this, you need to know Python basics thoroughly and have a passion for creating content. You will also need to learn a bit about the platform you're using and SEO. And if you want to make interesting and fun content, it's a good idea to constantly search for cool Python libraries and create small projects with them. Number 3. Teaching. If you enjoy teaching, there are many ways you can make money. You can teaching a group of people in a public setting, give private lessons, or even create and sell online courses. You could also sell these courses directly. For this, you must be good at Python basics. You could just teach that, but if you know a specialized area like backend development or data science, you can make even more money by teaching those. Number 4. Python consulting. If you have a lot of experience with Python, say 5 years or more, you can share your experience with others. For example, you can guide them on the best way to learn Python and what steps they should take to achieve results faster. For this, besides knowing Python, it's best if you have several years of experience. Number 5. Automations. This one's really cool, at least it was for me. There are some tasks that are repetitive and boring for people to do manually. But you can use Python to do these tasks much faster. You can offer to automate these tasks for people and charge them for it. For this, you need to be very proficient in Python basics and may need to be familiar with some automation libraries and frameworks like Selenium or etc. I once did this for a pharmacy student. I had 3 different data files containing various drug concentrations and their effects. I needed to find the concentrations of specific drugs across all 3 files and calculate the RH effect and concentrations. Doing this manually would take at least 2 weeks because there were so many drugs and they were randomly placed in each file, not in any order. But I did it with Python in just 4 minutes. Number 6. Building useful tools. Depending on your area of expertise, you can create different kinds of projects. But now, how do you make money from them? You can either sell them or put ads in them if it's a web app. For example, here are a few ideas. You can build a website that offers various types of conversations like converting audio and image formats, or converting images to PDFs, or creating QR code, a kind of online toolbox. You can sell it or place ads on it. Or you can create various Telegram bots that perform different tasks and get sponsors. For example, users might have to join sponsor channels before they can use your bot. Then you can charge the sponsors. So in this video I tried to give you a few practical way to make money with Python. I'm sure there are many other ideas out there, so feel free to share some in the comments. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more from Python How To. Take care.